Today's featured car of the day is a special one, a 1979 Lincoln Continental Mark V Collector's Series with only 40 actual miles. And I'll read from the seller's comments at the auction. And the seller stated, all original, unrestored condition and only 40 actual miles. This vehicle is still owned by the original family. Car was purchased in 1979 for his wife. She passed away during that time, so he placed the car into an indoor storage unit he owned. All fluids flushed, includes the original window sticker, still attached to the window, owner's manual, protector plate, factory CB radio, Cartier clock. And like I said, it had 40 miles on it. And it sold for $28,800 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Unfortunately, the way that they put the car back into the spot after they ran it through the auction, they had the headlight doors up and the hood ajar and didn't have a good look to it. But take my word for it, it looks like a brand new car on a car lot from back in 1979. If you look at the window sticker, you can see Continental Mark V Collector Series manufacturer suggested retail price was $21,326. That's the base price for all the standard equipment. And then the options are moonroof power glass panel for $1,088, radio citizens band, $321. And then preparation center service for dealer prep, $28, transportation and handling, $480, for a grand total of $23,243. And if you're thinking that it probably wasn't a good investment, well, he bought it for his wife, didn't buy it as an investment. So unfortunately, things didn't work out. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1979 Lincoln Continental Mark V Collector's Series with 40 actual miles that sold for $28,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. By the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.